Hi friends, Right Careers welcomes you to another brand new video for this week. This is Yes Sudarshan, your career coach. Are you someone who follows stock market? Are you someone who's keen on not only making money from stock market but also in the process help others make money and in the process earn some money out of it? Are you someone who has the knack of handling your finance, handling your purse or something like that? If that is the case, you can definitely consider stockbroking as a career, and that's exactly what the topic for this week. The topic we have taken for this week is career as a stockbroker. Now, before we move on as to what stockbroking is or what stockbrokers do, or rather what are the professional career opportunities in stockbroking, how to become a stockbroker, pros and cons of stockbroking, etc. A small bit of interesting information I would say that that relates with stock market. Now, Bombay Stock Exchange, we call it as BSE, right? The Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. Not only that, it is also the largest stock exchange in the world. So that speaks volumes about how ancient we are when it comes to this profession or this business. Another interesting bit of trivia, stock like Reliance Industries, RIL, or say TCS, Tata Consultancy Service, etc. The market capitalization of one stock of, the market capitalization of one company called TCS or Reliance Industries is greater than the entire Karachi Stock Exchange, which means one stock of Indian company is greater than entire Pakistan's stock market. So that's how we are, and that's how large we are. Now, despite that, we only have 3.5% of Indian public, general public investing in stock market, which is against 12% of Chinese who go on to invest in stock market. So 12% of China invests in stock market, whereas Indians, like, we invest only, 3.5% of people only go ahead and invest in stock market. But however, the recent development over the last couple of years, there has been tremendous increase in people coming forward and investing in stock market, and there are various reasons attached with it. One could be the declining repo rate, which stands at 4%, which means the interest rate that you get on for fixed deposits or recurring deposits or various other traditional or conventional deposits have come down. Not only that, people now have a little bit more liquidity, I should say, and the pandemic has also really helped, because during pandemic people didn't know what to do with their finance and they didn't really go out and step out and do a lot of other things, so they started investing in stock markets. Now, a ready reckoner of stats says last year in 2000 financial year 2021, 142 lakh people in India have started a demat account. So that's the basic thing to get into stock market. So that shows how gradually and quickly we are now moving to investing in stock markets, and therefore there is no better time to become a stockbroker. This is one of the best time to become stockbroker, right? So moving on, what does stockbrokers do? What do they do? Now, stockbrokers are basically involved in buying and selling of stocks for their customers. So they basically deal in buying and selling on behalf of people. So they always remain in very close touch with the customers, with the clients, and updating on the fluctuations of a market on a regular basis. Regular means as regular as twice a day or thrice a day. If the market fluctuates, then and there they update, help them in buying or selling the stocks and make them earn profit. Not only that, not only they help in making your clients profit, but also make in the brokerages that they work for. For example, if they work for any brokerages, the stockbrokers are responsible to maximize their profits also. So they work for the profitability of not only the clients but also for the brokerage firms that they represent. Now, with Sensex all set to hit 59,000, we are talking about 60,000 this month or maybe next month. That's the Sensex numbers that we are talking about. And Nifty also, it's at 17,500, 600 mark as and when I speak today. Many more are now coming forward to investing in stocks, and you see a lot of flurry of IPOs, initial public offers, came over the last 3 months, and too many people are now coming forward and investing, and that's why I said this is one of the best time to become stockbrokers. Now, moving on, what are the professional career opportunities that exist in stockbroking? The first professional career opportunity that I can think of is someone as a stockbroker can work for brokerage firms. Now, brokerage firms are very common. Companies like Motilal Oswal or HDFC Securities or India Bulls, Sher Khan. So these are some of the companies, HDFC Securities. So these are some of the companies where you can attach yourself as a stockbroker and then work for them. Greatest advantages, it provides more stableness or stability to you, and you need not work individually. You represent some kind of brokerage firms, and it brings in a lot of credibility. So that's the first professional career opportunity I can think of. The second professional career opportunity naturally is a independent broker, where you need not attach yourself, with any brokerage. You yourself can become an independent broker, consult people, and then make good profit out of it. However, the small flip side is you need to have strong persuasive skills and very high market knowledge, market understanding, so that you can convince, or you can convince and acquire a client and make them invest in stocks that you wish to. So that's the second professional career opportunity, which is an independent broker. The third professional career opportunity is definitely a bank broker, where bank brokers are nothing, they don't do something differently. What an independent broker or a stock broker who works for brokerage firms, they also do the same thing, but the only thing is they work for banks. You need not go behind customers and acquire them to invest. Banks themselves, will give leads. You can work with those set of clients from that's given by bank, and then maybe make them earn good profit. So that's the third professional career opportunity, which is a bank broker. You can also become an equity analyst. That's the fourth professional career opportunity. You can become an equity analyst. By equity analyst, what you do is, upon your formal certification, or when you become an equity analyst, you analyze every equity. You analyze a stock in terms of determining its risk, determining its profitability nature, determining based on the results, etc. You can work for brokerages or newspapers also, and or televisions. These days you see a lot of business television channels, business newspapers, where you can contribute and then make a good career out of it. That leads to a final professional career opportunity, where you can work as a business journalist. So you can work for any business, newspapers or channels, newspapers like Economic Times or Business Line. They are exclusive Business Standard. They are exclusive newspapers, where as a stockbroker you can work and give your expert opinion and contribute your expert opinion. And similarly with televisions, there are many channels, right, both in English and Hindi, that gives you tips on stockbroking. So you can work as business journalist in print and television industry. So these are some of the professional career opportunities that I can think of. How to become a stockbroker? Not that difficult. Even though age is not a criteria, it's recommended that you complete 21 years of age, and then ideally it's preferred that you are good at maths or commerce, so that you understand numbers, because this deals with numbers. And definitely institutes like NSE, National Stock Exchange, they give certification. They do certification on financial markets. They give certification on certified market professionals. Similarly, Bombay Stock Exchange, they give certification on central depository, security markets, derivative exchanges, etc. AMFI does it for mutual fund. I'm not even dwelling into this, because I'm only talking about stock broking here. Yes, you can also make a career as a mutual fund advisor, life insurance advisor. So this is a widespread career, where you can spread your wings, start with one thing and then expand to multiple things. Definitely possible. Another avenue where you can make yourself equipped is in the form of NISM, National Institute of Securities Management. NISM is a part of SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. It offers various programs. You can visit their website and get to know, about the programs, and make yourself equipped with knowledge. The only thing is, it's not enough when you only equip with knowledge. You also need to be constantly updated with what's happening in the market, which is very important. As always in our segment, the pros: huge monetary benefits. You earn with people, you yourself earn. So huge monetary benefits, always in great demand, especially in urban markets and upcoming tier 2 markets. This has tremendous potential, huge self growth, and you can work on your own at your own pace. Some flip side, it is stressful, there is no doubt, because you got to do a lot of research. You have to have that acumen of finance, acumen of numbers, acumen of predicting market, that comes with age, that comes with experience, that comes with learning, reading and listening to a lot of things, and following on a lot of updates about industry and companies. Not only that, you also need to be persuasive. You need to be highly persuasive to acquire a client and then make them invest in stocks. So that's very important. Concluding thing, it's indeed a great career opportunity, I would say. There is no doubt about it. If you have the knack of persuasion and also acumen of numbers, go ahead and you can, not only do a full-time career in stockbroking, but also make a parallel career in stockbroking, which is also happening these days. I know quite a lot of people who make a good parallel career, that is a second career, or a sidekick career when they work for somewhere else. So you can definitely do that. And that's all I have for this week. Thank you so much for listening. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is www.youtube.com/writecareers. And until next Monday with another brand new video, see you all, take care, stay safe, have a great week. Thank you.